Hello everyone, today I will show you the assembly steps of the Giverny Garden electronic kit. Electronic kits require functional testing before assembly. Put 3A batteries in the battery box. Turn the power switch to the middle position and check whether the lamps are on normally. Press the touch switch for the first time and all lamps will turn on. Press the touch switch a second time and all lamps will go out. Turn the switch to the leftmost on position, all lamps will stay on for 1 minute and then go out. When the sensor detects a human body again, all lamps will turn on again. After the test is completed, turn the power switch to the rightmost off position. Remove board B. Remove 2D2 and fix the two large lamps, C7, C8, on the board B. Take the 4B2 and use them to fix the wires. Remove D1, D4, and D3 for assembly. Remove 2D15 and 2E8 for assembly. Remove J2 and stick it on the wire to fix it. Take out the building, B6, and assemble it on the board B. Put the wires into the small hole in the building. Remove C4 for assembly. Take out the chimney, assembled from D16, D17, D21, and D22, for assembly. Remove D27 for assembly. Completed the assembly of B7. Take out the baseboard G7 with the water lily. Put the small lamp, C6, connected to the green wire through the baseboard G7. Remove C6 and pass the small lamp through C6. Remove C18, C13, C17, and take out the lampshade, A6. Wrap the wire around C13. Assemble C17, A6, and C18 sequentially with C13 and the small lamp. Pull the wires back while assembling the parts, leaving only the green wire exposed. Take out the moss, A13, and apply glue to C13, then stick the moss onto C13. Take out H18, apply glue to it and stick it to the correct position. Take out the bench, B12, and assemble it to C6. Remove E2, take out the bridge, B11, and assemble them. Completed the assembly of B15. Remove G3 and take out the electronic kit. The battery box passes diagonally through the hollow of G3. Take out 4A1 screws and 4A2 nuts, then tighten them to fix the battery box. Remove D10 for assembly, pay attention to the correct direction of D10. Remove two F8, assemble them into a unit, then assemble it into the main assembly. Remove 4 F1, 1 F4, 1 F5, and 1 F7 for assembly. Take out B15 for assembly. Note to arrange the wires as shown in the video. Take out the flower rack, B10, for assembly. Remove C16, C14, C11, and C15, assemble them into a unit, then assemble it into B15. Remove H6 and H23 for assembly. Take out the vase, B13, apply glue to the bottom of it and stick it on the bench. Take out the mirror, B9, for assembly. Remove E3 and E4, assemble them into a unit, then assemble it into the main assembly. Take out B7 for assembly. Organize the wires and secure them by snapping them into the slot. Remove G6 and secure the wires by snapping them into the slot of G6. Remove 2 G5 and 1 G4 for assembly, and fix the dual LED board, C3. Take out the parts after assembling C7 and the bird for assembly. Take out the easel, B4, for assembly. Take out B8 for assembly. Remove E1 for assembly. Remove I3, I5, I4, I1, and I2 and assemble them in sequence. Remove G8 and G9 for assembly. It is recommended to assemble G8 first and then G9. Remove 7C8. Take out the plastic sheet, K1, for assembly. Bend the plastic sheet gently inwards, and then align it with the socket and fix it. After assembling the plastic sheet, please immediately use C8 to secure it to prevent it from loosening and falling off. Remove 7G10 for assembly. Remove 7 F3 for assembly, pay attention to the direction of F3. Remove C10 for assembly. Take out the 3A3 screws and tighten the sensor head, C4, to C10. Then assemble it with the hole. Take out the dust cover for assembly. Please tear off the film on the surface of the dust cover before assembling. Completed the assembly of the Giverny garden. Turn on the switch and the light comes on.